Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a suspended Instagram account. Now, if you get a message that looks like this, it might say, we suspended your account on this day. And it says, what does this mean? It usually involves not following the community guidelines. And it walks you through a number of different things that you can do. The first thing that I would recommend doing is if you see this when you open up the Instagram app, you can see at the very bottom, it says disagree with decision. Now, if it does say that on your phone, immediately just go into that disagree with decision and go through the process of filling out that form. Essentially, what you're going to do is you're going to appeal their decision to basically suspend your account. However, let's say you don't necessarily see that message. You can open up Instagram. However, maybe some of the functionality is not working on the Instagram app. What you'll find is within Instagram, they might have suspended your ability to do certain things like go into accounts and follow them or like and comment, etc. Let's check the status of your Instagram account as well. To do that, at the very bottom right, we're going to tap on that profile button. You can see the profile at the bottom right. And now at the top right, you can see those three lines to get into your settings. So at the top right, tap on those three lines. Now that we're in your settings, all we're going to do is scroll down towards the bottom, and it has a really helpful section. You can see it says more info and support. And instead of getting to the help center, we will do some stuff in the help center. But first, we're going to go to account status to see what our status is and if anything is suspended on our account. So tap on account status here, and you can see Trevor Nace, and you'll be able to see remove content and messaging, limits to your reach, features you can't use, and monetization. If any of these don't have that green check mark, all you need to do is hop in there and it'll walk you through why there's a community guidelines violation and what you can do about it. In this case, I have everything good, everything is green, but if you don't have something, or if it says that there's essentially an issue with your account, right in here, it will walk you through what you can do. And it says, learn about our community standards, etc. So this is one option that you can go through and check your account status. But let's say this doesn't work for you, or you're not able to log into your account. That's perfectly fine, because all we need to do next is just open up a web browser, and we are going to go to help.instagram.com. So you can see help.instagram.com there and hit go. The nice thing is you don't need to log in on this, and you're just doing it in a web browser instead. Now within here, let's tap on the search for help articles. And I would first recommend searching for suspended. And let's hit search. Now it will give you lots of articles on here. It says why your account has been restricted, hide account, claim, appeal decision, all sorts of different things. And essentially you can go through a number of these different articles that help to support you if your account is suspended and to appeal it. One of the things that you can go to on here is that you can go to down and you can go to about disabled Instagram accounts. And you can read through this. It says why your account might be disabled and it might be deleted, etc. Learn about our policies and guidelines. However, I would recommend going to this how to regain access. You'll be able to see if you tap on that, it immediately brings you to this page. All you need to do in this case is to type in the username, the phone number, or the email address associated with your account and go through the process of essentially appealing it or trying to get your account back. Now, if that doesn't work for you, again, in here you can go back, and instead of suspended, let's type in hacked and hit search. You'll be able to see when you search for hacked, it will scroll down and we can go to if your account has been hacked or if you think it's hacked. All you need to do is go through this process, and essentially you can appeal if it is hacked. You can open this up and it'll walk you through pages that you can go to. If someone gains access, you can visit this page. And essentially, again, it brings you to the Find Your Account page where you can go through the process of appealing it if someone else has access to your account to be able to get in it and recover it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you used to have any questions. Thanks, guys.